Welcome to beautiful Variety View Estates. This stunning neighborhood is so beautiful. Situated on prime real estate and only moments from Smith Mountain Lake. So get that boat ready. The beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains are incredible in this stunning area. These beautiful properties are well maintained, and these lavish homes are a sight to see. Incredible! As you can see, all properties are well maintained, and some even have lots of spare parts in their yards if you need help with projects. Just amazing. These beautiful, well-maintained roofs are included with your new home. So come to your new home at beautiful Variety View Estates.